Here at Nordfab Australia, we are always looking for good distributors to help us grow our network. Whether you are a large corporation or a small business, you could become our next Nordfab ducting dealer. There are many benefits of being an authorized Nordfab dealer. First off, the ease of doing business. At Nordfab, we have developed and designed our own complementary sales tools for designing, quoting, and selling duct systems. As an authorized Nordfab dealer, you would be part of our global network, allowing us to better assist you with engineering services. We provide comprehensive product documentation as well as training to all our authorized Nordfab dealers. But now to the perhaps most dominant benefit. By being an authorized Nordfab dealer, you would be selling market-leading products, which can be applied in a wide variety of industries and applications. Our clamp-together modular ducting system can be put together in seconds without the use of welds, bolts, screws, or other special tools. Are you interested in learning more about becoming an authorized Nordfab dealer for Australia? Please don't hesitate to contact one of my colleagues or visit us at this address.